Hey there everyone, this is Calculus and this is my first math video. Today I will go over a division problem, 78 divided by 3, and I will go over proofs and examples and what they don't teach you at school. So first off, you're dealing with the number 7, and you ask yourself, how many 3's can fit into 7? And the maximum number is 2, and 3 times 2 equals 6. And you'll subtract 6 from 7, which will give you 1. But wait, why don't we subtract 6 from 78 instead of subtracting 6 from 7? The reason is that 7 is in the tens place, and it is not the same number as the number 7 in the ones place. Nor is that the number 2 will be in the tens place, because the number 2, which is in the ones place, won't be sufficient enough. 1 multiplying 2 and 3 would give you 6 and not 78. Subtracting the digit 2 as a number in the tens place, it will be a 20 instead of a 2, which is in the ones place. Now notice that 20 times 3 equals 60. So we're actually subtracting 60 from 78 because we're dealing with the 7, which is in the tens place. Now, to those who are good at algebra, who will understand the proofs of why we bring the next digit after the subtraction, which is in this example the digit 8 and the number 78. So 78 plus 8 equals 78. So 70 minus 60 happens because we dealt with just the digit 7, which is in the tens place. It is separated into a sum of 70 and 8, or 70 plus 8. Now put the 8 to the side of 70, and the number 8 will be added to the result, or subtraction of 70 and 60. This property happens with the initial number, which is in this case 70. But the same is not true when you add a number to the final number that you're subtracting 2, which is 60. So 70 minus 60 equals 10, plus 8 equals 18. So finally we divide 18 by 3, and no digit follows after the digit 8 in 78, and we get 6 as our final answer. But the quotient will be 26. Here's more algebraic proof why we subtracted 6 from 7 in the beginning, and why we focus on the digit 7 and 78. In algebra, I learned that division is the glorification of subtraction, while multiplication is the glorification of addition. So when dividing, you're actually subtracting into equal pieces until we get nothing. For example, 78 minus 3 times 20 minus 3 times 6. You factor 3, find common factors, and you get 78 minus 3 times 20 plus 6, and 78 minus 3 times 26 is 0. The 20 plus 6 combine to be 26. So you got 26 times 3, and it verifies that a division is actually subtraction. Here's another example. You set up an equation 20 plus 6 plus 20 plus 6 plus 20 plus 6. The 20 and the 6 can be separated, but if we were to replace the 6 with a variable, in this case x, we can do that to find the separated number from the number in the tens place, which is 20. And so adding all the 20s will give you 60. And putting it in algebraic form, you have 60 plus 3 times x, or 3x, because you combine all the x's together 3 times, and you make it this side equal to 78. And using algebra, you subtract 60 from both sides, balancing the equation, and you get 3x equals 18. And you undo the operation of 3 and x, which is multiplying, and you divide by 3 on both sides to get x by itself. And you see that x equals 6. So this algebra equation happens because it is possible. Thank you.